In the heart of a deep green forest, a little monkey wandered alone. Scared, tired, and completely lost. He whispered, "Can someone help me find my way home?" Suddenly, from above the trees, a wise parrot swooped down. "Parrot, I will help you. But first, you must solve a riddle." Monkey, "A riddle? I'm lost." Parrot, "Use your brain, little one. It will guide your steps." Parrot's riddle. You see two paths. One leads to a lion's cave, and one leads to your home. A bird stands on each path. One always lies. One always tells the truth. You can ask just one question. What will you ask? The monkey sat and thought, then smiled. Monkey, I will ask one bird. If I ask the other bird which way is home, what would he say? Then, I go the opposite way. Parrot, very clever. You've solved it. The monkey found his way home. Not with strength, but with logic. Brain moral. Sometimes, thinking is the bravest thing you can do.